Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lukman Harun, and in this presentation I will explain my work on analysis of ego defense mechanism used by the main characters in the novel I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. Introduction. Literature has an intimate connection with people. Literature can be described as a mirror for human life. Literature is the expression of the author, may it be social condition, personal experience, and cultural background. And on the other hand, psychology is a study that studies more deeply about the mind, mental, and human behavior. This science will examine the flow of human thought. In addition, this science also examines the reason behind human action and behavior. Literary works, which are seen as psychological phenomena, will showing psychological aspect through the character. Thus, literary works can be approached using a psychological approach. Literature and psychology also has intimate connection, although whether the writers rarely think psychologically, their works can still have a psychological feel. This study will discuss a novel entitled I Want to Eat Your Pancreas, written by Sumino Yoru. It's a romance drama novel that telling about Haruki, who discovers a big secret about his very popular classmate Sakura. Sakura wants her school life keep running normally, and thus she is drawn to Haruki due to his unfazed reaction even when he knows her condition that her life doesn't long last anymore. They began to spend time together and become close. This novel is the first novel written by Sumino Yoru. This novel was published in 2015. This novel was awarded a bestseller novel in 2016. This novel was adapted into a film in 2018, directed by Sukikawa, and this novel has also been adapted into animation in 2018, produced by Aniplex. This study aims to know the character's ego defense mechanism in the novel. This study is important because the objective of this study is to understand how does the ego defense mechanism work based on the situation. Those people can be aware of what they do and can have more self-aware. Previous study about this topic is from the thesis name Pengaruh Watak Terhadap Konflik Tokoh Haruki dalam novel Kimi no Suizo o Tabetai, karya Sumino Yoru, written by Rizka Fitriasari from Department of Japanese Literature Study, Faculty of Humanities and Cultural Studies, University Bung Hatta in 2020. The researcher analyzed the novel using qualitative descriptive. The second previous study is from thesis named Kepribadian Tokoh Utama Haruki Shiga dalam novel I Want to Eat Your Pancreas, written by Hendrik Eni and Riza from Department Indonesian Language and Literature Education, University STKIP PGRI Pacitan. 2020. The researcher analyzed the novel using qualitative method. The researcher will apply qualitative approach using psychoanalysis on the character of novel I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. The researcher will use Sigmund Freud's theory of psychoanalysis in order to analyze the character's psychological condition. This research focuses on the ego defense mechanism that the characters experience in the novel. Research question and theory. Research question: what the cause of the defense mechanism to appear in the characters? How does the defense mechanism become the solution when the characters facing their problem? Theory. The researcher used the theory psychoanalysis of Sigmund Freud ego defense mechanism. Objective and research method. The objective. This research aims to explain types of ego defense mechanism is undergone by the Haruki Shiga and Sakura Yamauchi in the novel I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. Research method. The study used qualitative approach, and the data source of this research is a novel titled I Want to Eat Your Pancreas, written by Yoru Sumino. For the data collection, the researcher used a few steps. The first one is reading the novel I Want to Eat Your Pancreas and understanding the story in the novel. Second, researcher highlighting the word, sentence, and phrase which is relevant to the research problem. Third, the researcher classified the data into 5 categories: id, ego, superego, anxiety, and ego defense mechanism. The researcher used several steps in order to analyze the data. The first one is discussing the data of id, ego, superego, anxiety, and ego defense mechanism experienced by the character. The second, support the data discussion with the relevant theory of psychoanalysis by Sigmund Freud. The third is drawing a conclusion based on the discussion result to answer the research problem. Previous step. Previous study. There are 2 previous studies about this topic which researchers found that have common object of discussion about Sigmund Freud psychoanalysis of the ego defense mechanism. The first one is the thesis named the main character defense mechanism in Cormac McCarthy novel The Root by Husni Mubarak in 2019, which focus on analyzing the ego defense mechanism of the main character in the novel The Root. The second is the thesis named An Analysis of Defense Mechanism used by the main characters in Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn and the Prince of the Pauper written by Wacara Pipat Sima in 2009. Focus on defense mechanism used by 2 main children character in Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn and the Prince and the Pauper. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I'm sorry for any mistake that I made. Thank you.